Hello dear students, hope you are fit and fine. Today we are going to start with Unit 1, 1.2, second chapter on page number 6. The name of the lesson is A Synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. Let us see what is the meaning of synopsis. A brief summary or an outline of anything. Now, Swiss. What do you mean by Swiss? Swiss means a person who has been come from Switzerland. A person who is from the Switzerland is known as Swiss. Okay. Family Robinson. Robinson is the family main head of the family. His name is Robinson. So this story is written. Actually, it is a novel written by Swiss clergyman, and the name of the author is John David Wyss. Now, actually, it is not just an adventure. This novel is written by Swiss clergyman John David Wyss. It is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people values like how to take care of the family, how to be determined, then how to cooperate the family, and also how to not use but how to carefully use the resources. Now, as this story is about the family who has been under such type of circumstance, that how they came out due to lot of hardship, that is given in this lesson. So let us start. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. Now, actually, it is a novel and it is famous in many countries, and it is enjoyed for more than 200 years. Okay. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. Now, this novel, the book is converted into graphic novels also and in films also. The novel, written by Swiss clergyman John David Wyss, is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people values like self-reliant, determination, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. As I said in summary only, that this novel is written by Swiss clergyman. Clergyman means priest. Priest name as John David Wyss. It is not just an adventure. This is not just an adventure. Okay. What do you mean by adventure? Adventure means adventure means dangerous undertaking, risk. Okay. Adventure means adventures. We had seen many films related to adventures. Adventure is dangerous undertaking or risky venture. Okay. Now, it aims at teaching young people the values like self-reliance, determination, love for the family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Now, in this lesson, the young people are going to get the values from their parents about what? Self-reliance, how to be self-independent. Okay. How to be independent. Okay. Determination, how to be determined. Then love for your family. Okay. Cooperation, how to cooperate each other, and prudent use of resources. Prudent means wisely or well or judged. Okay. Wisely, well, or judged. Prudent means, okay, so how to use the resources, that is given. It also has good relevant in natural science, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Now, in this lesson we are going to we are going to study about natural science. Natural science means a branch of science which deals with the physical world. Natural science means a branch of science which deals with the physical world. Good husbandry. Good husbandry means the activity of raising plants and animals for food. Okay. Good husbandry. Husbandry means what? The activity of raising plants and animals for food, and even mathematics. Okay. Now, let us see the next stanza. Some elements of novel do stretch reality to a certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. Now, some elements of the novel, when you will go through this story, it stretched reality to a certain extent, means there is somewhat reality, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction. What do you mean by fiction? Fiction means imaginary. Okay, fiction means imaginary and not a fact file. Given below is a synopsis and outline of its basic story. Now the story is what? A synopsis means a outline or a brief summary, okay, of its basic story. So here the story starts. Let us start. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Now this full family was traveling in a ship and there was a great storm in the sea. The other passenger evacuated without them. Now what do you mean by evacuated? Evacuated means to leave a dangerous place. As the storm was there, the other passengers, they left the ship and they went away, but this family, they didn't went and they were in the ship only. Evacuated without them. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, were left to survive alone. Now this family was left in that ship alone, okay, to survive. Survive means, how to survive means continue to exist in spite of difficulty. Continue to exist in spite of difficulty, okay. Now were left to survive alone. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. Now they weathered. What do you mean by weathered? Means survived, okay. Ship's hold. Weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. Ship's hold means a lower part of the ship, generally used for storing a cargo. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within the sight of a tropical desert island. Now that night already it was passed. After passing that night, they found their ship was where? At the site of a tropical desert island. The next morning they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. Now when they were on the island next morning, what they decided? They decided there, when they were near the island, they see beyond the reef. Now reef, what do you mean by reef? Reef is a rock and sand close to the surface of the sea. Reef means rocks and sand close surface to the sea, okay. With much efforts they constructed a vessel out of tubs. Now what did they did with, after they filled the tubs. Now what do you mean by tubs? Vessel means, here vessel means not utensils, but here vessel means a small boat. See, you can see the picture on page number 7. See this are what? These are the tubs, okay. Is it clear? So they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. With much effort they constructed a vessel out of tubs. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed towards the island. Now after making the vessel tubs, what they did? After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition, whatever was there in the ship, food, ammunitions. What do you mean by ammunition? Ammunition means they had filled it with what? Food. The food what was there, then all the other articles of value, whatever the articles were there, that articles they had filled. Ammunition means objects such as bullets or shells that are shot from weapons, okay. Ammunitions means weapons, in short we can say as weapons. So food, ammunition and all other articles of values, whatever was needed to stay, that all they could safely carry, and which they could safely carry to the island. They rowed towards the island. Road means to go forward, okay. They rowed towards the island. Two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. See, you can see in this picture there were two dogs also, and what was the name of the dogs? Turk and Juno, okay, beside them. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books, a dispensable pinnace, and provision had also survived. Now, the ship's cargo of livestock. Now, what do you mean by livestock? Livestock means farm or domestic animals. Okay, livestock means farm or domestic animal. So, they had taken with them that also guns and powder, carpentry tools, the tools which we use for making furnitures, books were there, and disassembled pinnaces. Now, what do you mean by pinnace? Is a small boat typically with sails forming a part of large ship. Okay, it is a small boat. Always with big ship there are small boats tied on the surface, on the side walls. So that boat also, and provision had also survived. Over the next few days, William, that is father, attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. Now for next few days, William, father, attached the floatable old kegs. Old kegs means it is like a drum. It is like a drum, old kegs. How I can show you, I'll draw the picture over here. You can see like this type of, first the drums were there. This is of straw, this is of wood. He has tied to each other old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. Okay, the family had landed successfully on the island. They landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armload of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. Now they reached on the island. They made one tent and softened the floor. For flooring, what they had used grass. They cut and spread to serve as their bed. Their bed was made up of what? Grass. They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like gourd on its trunk. Now when they came there, what they saw there was a one big tree, and one tree grew what looked like gourds, and some fruits. Gourd means bitter gourd, you know that, what we can say, bottle gourd, dudhi. So that type of vegetable was grown on that tree. Okay, the father told Freeze the goats would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. Now using that goats, they made what? Utensils. Which utensils they made? Bowls and spoons. Okay, after some day, Elizabeth informed William that he wanted the family to move to a safer place. On that island they had lived for some time, and afterwards Elizabeth, wife of William, what she said that I want my family to shift to a safer place. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. Now where they were staying on the island, as you know, this island is covered by water. All the one land is there, and it is covered by what? Water. So it was what? It was exposed. Exposed means heat was there. Okay, but also very dry and hot. Okay, they would be if they built a house up in one of the large tree, they would be safe from jackals. Now what she was thinking? She was thinking that if we will build a house on a large tree, they will be what? They will be safe from the jackals. Okay, she described a perfect tree for the project, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. Now that lady Elizabeth, she described that she wants to make a house, but she wants a perfect tree. So she was explaining that to her husband. What she said, I want a tree whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. Diameter means the circle. Okay, see, for example, see, I am drawing this tree over here. So this portion, it should be what? 40 feet in diameter. Okay, the branches are very long and extended straight out from the trunk. From the trunk, the branches should be what? Extended straight. making them perfect platform for a structure. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangle to measure big object. Now, they were explaining this to their four childrens. So now father was explaining how what should be the height of the lowest branch. So he started teaching them what? Geometry. But without what? We are learning geometry with our geometrical instrument. But here the father was describing this, how to use triangles to measure big object. He measured a defined distance from the trunk. Then he calculated angle using several measured rods. Now what he did, he first defined a distance, okay, then he from the trunk, then he calculated angles using several measured rods were there. Using that rods, he started measuring, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet off from the ground. He said that lowest branch should be 30 feet off from the ground. The man knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Now what did the man did? He was trying he knotted a rope. What do you mean by knotted? Knotted means gaat marna, okay? A rope at certain intervals and attach pieces of bamboo in each knot. Now how I will explain. See, suppose this is what? This is a rope, rassi, okay? Gaat marna. This is the knots, certain intervals, okay? And here he put what? Bamboo. And again the rope was there. And again he put over here knot. Again like this, knot. Knot means ghat, okay? And this is bamboo and this is rope, rassi, okay? So bamboo in each knot. Thus they created their ladder. Ladder matlab CD, okay? Father returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge. Now driftwood is a driftwood, what we can say, it is a type of wood which has been thrown by the sea. And why he has brought that driftwood? He was thinking that it would be perfect to build a sledge. What do you mean by sledge? Sledge is a vehicle or a what we can say, if you had seen, easily I can explain you, means Santa Claus. You had seen that on snow, the vehicle which moves, that is known as sledge, okay? On runners rather than wheels. Later they used it to transport material. They can use this for transporting materials, okay? Meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Now afterwards they had made the made their house also, they had made the ladder also. Now meanwhile Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Now Elizabeth has made a garden also, and in that garden they had producing healthy plants. Which plants were there? Corn, come to page number 8. Corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumber were also growing. These were the vegetables which were growing in the garden. The next day only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods, exploring and finding such exotic plant as one with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. Fritz discovered a tree excluding a rubbery sap from which his father claimed that they could make boots. Now the next day father and Fritz, one of his son, they were traveling to the woods, means in the forest, exploring and finding. They were searching what? Such exotic plant as one with waxy fruit. They were finding a tree which should have what? Waxy fruit from which candles could be made, and they want to make the candles. So they were finding that type of tree. Fritz discovered a tree excluding a rubbery sap. Now Fritz discovered one of the tree and it was excluding a rubbery sap from which his father claimed that they could make boots. Now when they were going when they were running in the forest at that time, Fritz found one tree, and what he thought, from this tree we can make a candle. I hope you have Understood till here? In next video we will continue the remaining part. Thank you. Have a nice day.